Which drawing tablet is actually good for beginners? Simple question, but you have to do a bit of digging to get the answer. Today, we're doing exactly that.
Product number 1, Huion Inspiroi H640p. First up is the Huion Inspiroi H640p. Priced at just $27.99, this tablet caught my eye because of its compact size and battery-free stylus. If you want a solid entry point into digital art without breaking the bank, this one is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The H640p features 8,192 levels of pressure sensitivity, which makes your strokes feel natural and responsive. This means you can create fine lines or bold strokes just like you would with a traditional pen. Plus, the 6 customizable hotkeys let you set shortcuts for your favorite functions, speeding up your workflow. It's compatible with Mac, Windows, and even Android devices, so you have flexibility wherever you choose to create. With over 1,000 units sold just this month, it's clear beginners are loving it. Now, some people complained about the tablet's size, saying it might feel a bit cramped for detailed work. Here's the thing though, this makes it super portable, and if you're just starting out, it's actually a great way to focus on learning without getting overwhelmed. This is perfect for you if you're a student or someone who travels a lot and wants to sketch on the go. Skip this one if you prefer a larger drawing area and are serious about detailed artwork. For the price, it's a fantastic value for beginners. All right, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want a bit more space to work with. Product number 2, Huion Inspiroi H1060p. Next up is the Huion Inspiroi H1060p, priced at $59.99. This one really stands out with its larger 10 by 6.25-inch drawing area and 12 customizable hotkeys. If you're looking for a more spacious tablet that doesn't skimp on features, this is definitely worth considering. The H1060p boasts the same 8192 levels of pressure sensitivity as its smaller sibling, but with the added tilt support, you can create more dynamic lines and varied effects while drawing. It's ultra slim, making it easy to transport, and it also supports a range of design software like Photoshop and Illustrator. This tablet has been selling well, with over 1,000 units bought recently, showing that many beginners are opting for a little more space. Now, some users mentioned the learning curve with the driver setup, which can be a bit daunting. Here's the thing though, once you get past that initial hurdle, you unlock a world of customization that can greatly enhance your drawing experience. This is perfect for you if you're starting to get serious about digital art and want a tablet that can grow with your skills. Skip this one if you're looking for something ultra simply and straightforward. For the features you get, it offers great value. Now, if the last tablet's setup issues bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach with its user-friendly design.
Product number 3, Huion Inspiroi H950p. The Huion Inspiroi H950p is next on the list at $49.99. This tablet impressed me with its 8 by 5-inch size and sleek design. If you need a reliable tablet that balances performance and portability, you might want to check this one out. With 8,192 levels of pressure sensitivity and 60-degree tilt support, the H950p allows for smooth and precise control while drawing. It also comes with 8 customizable hotkeys, so you can set up shortcuts to match your workflow, which is a major time saver. Many creators are flocking to this model, as evidenced by its popularity, with over 500 units sold recently. Compatibility with multiple operating systems adds to its appeal, making it versatile for both Mac and Windows users. However, some users found that the surface texture might not be to their liking, as it can feel slightly different from traditional paper. But honestly, once you get used to it, you'll appreciate the smoothness and control it provides. This is perfect for you if you're a beginner looking for flexibility and ease of use. Skip this if you want a larger workspace or if you have a specific texture preference. For what you get, it's a solid deal. All right, that was a great pick. But if you want something with even more features, the next product on our list might just do the trick.
Product number 4, Gaomon M10K. Now we have the Gaomon M10K priced at $39.99. This tablet offers a 10 by 6 inch drawing area, which is impressive for the price. If you're looking for a large tablet that feels like drawing on paper, keep listening. The M10K features 8192 levels of pressure sensitivity and a unique touch ring for easy zooming and brush adjustments. This means you can maintain your creative flow without reaching for extra tools. It's compatible with a wide range of software, making it a favorite among digital artists. Recently, it's gained traction with over 400 sales, a clear indicator that beginners appreciate its functionality. That said, some users have pointed out that the installation process could be complicated. But here's the thing. Once you have it set up, it's a breeze to use, and it's worth the little extra effort. This is perfect for you if you want a large drawing space with customizable features. Skip this if you're looking for something that's plug and play. For its price, you get a lot of functionality, making it a worthwhile investment. Now, if the last one's size and setup weren't your cup of tea, this last product is another fantastic option that's super user-friendly.
Product number 5, UGE M708. Finally, we have the UGE M708, priced at $39.99. This tablet also features a 10 by 6 inch drawing surface, making it a solid choice for anyone who needs space. If you're looking for an affordable option that offers a smooth drawing experience, this might be for you. The M708 comes with a passive stylus and boasts an impressive 16,848 levels of pressure sensitivity. This means you can create incredibly detailed and responsive artwork. Plus, the tablet includes 8 customizable hotkeys to streamline your workflow, and it's compatible with various design software. It's generating buzz, with 400 units sold recently, indicating it's a popular choice among newbies. Some reviewers did mention that the build quality could feel a bit lightweight, but honestly, for a beginner tablet, it's designed to be portable, and it holds up well for everyday use. This is perfect for you if you're just starting out and want an affordable yet capable tablet. Skip this if you prefer a more premium feel or advanced features. For the price, it's a fantastic entry-level option. To wrap it all up, we've covered some excellent options today. Whether you're looking for portability, size, or extra features, there's a tablet here for every type of beginner artist.
To sum it up, we explored 5 great drawing tablets for beginners. The Huion H640p for portability, H1060p for features, H950p for versatility, Gaomon M10K for space, and UG M708 for affordability. Each has its strengths, so choose one that fits your needs best and get started on your digital art journey.